What is up, guys? It's Scott with Never Hedge, back for another Clove update, and we are down a little over a quarter today at minus 28 cents and 2.8% in the negative column here. Big sell-off to start the day, and then a little bit of a rally from there, and then just consolidating a bit. RSI sitting right around 49. MACDs are touching. Now, let's go over Fintel. Short volume ratio is pretty friggin' high here, 25.78%, and the short interest of the float is quite a bit at 36.93. The short interest ratio, the 1.39 days to cover, has gone up in the last couple of days, which means it's taking shorts longer to cover their positions, which is good for us. There is a bit of an increase in the number of Clove shares available to short, up from a low of 0 a little while ago, a couple days ago, to a high of 450,000 now. We have dropped in the short squeeze score rankings. We've been usurped now by Metamaterial Inc. Stock symbol MMAT is now the number 3 ranked short squeeze score here. And the short borrow fee rate has gone down quite a bit since the high of 135%. So this is getting pretty wild here, guys. Got a couple of things to get to today on this. Tweet from Buy the Fucking Dip. Alright, so Clove is the second most active stock on Nasdaq yesterday, and 100% of the selling pressure was from shorts trying to make it appear like insiders were dumping. No Edgar filings from insider selling. No Edgar filings for Class B shares converting to Class A. That is super important, guys. Don't fall for the tricks that the market makers and shorts are playing on us. It is all a game. It is all a game. And now, this one is also very important. Clover is heavily invested into by Alphabet and other major players. We're going to the next galaxy. Norway is all in. So Clove was ridiculously shorted from the moment it hit IPO. This has nothing to do with GME or AMC. The short interest in Clove has been there since the IPO. The play for Clove is that it's a Medicare Advantage disruptor and provides a real use case for cost-effective solution to the traditional Medicare Advantage subsegment that hasn't changed in ages. Medicare is extremely inefficient, and Cloverhealth corrects that and is very efficient in its business. So this stock has a large short interest, and now probably greater than AMC and GME combined. Low float, no debt, and has a very bright future for growth. It's also heavily invested in by Alphabet and other major players. The firms shorting Clove are not the same as those who shorted GME and AMC. Separate that from your minds. Yes, Melvin Capital, Citadel, and others targeted GME and AMC, but this has no relevance to Clove. No one gives a fuck. A viable stock that has potential to disrupt a market segment that is also heavily shorted is the play for Clove. That is simple as that. Love it, love it, love it. Buy the dips. Let's let it rip here today, guys. Just wanted to do a quick update on Clove. I haven't covered this in a couple of days. So as always, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more updates on Cloverhealth as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.